Android Studio installation, application, files, uninstallation completely on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system. Desktop Windows search box lo control panel enter. First option control panel select. Adjust your computer settings window lo programs and features option click. Third one Android Studio select, mouse right click, uninstall click. Uninstall or change on application window lo first button yes click. Android Studio uninstall window lo choose components, select components to uninstall. First and second option tick mark set, mouse left click, first button next click. Uninstallation location default path display in box, local disk C, program files, Android Studio folder. Second button uninstall click. This will remove all of the program files under first button yes click. Uninstalling. Please wait while Android Studio is being uninstalled. Uninstallation complete. Close button click. Remove application Android Studio from control panel. Window close. Desktop shortcut key Windows R. Run command open. Type the command %appdata %. First button OK click. First one folder roaming related folder display. Google folder select and open. First one Android Studio installation latest version display. Select folder, mouse right click, last icon delete click. Left side icon back to roaming icon click. Next second folder app data click. First one local select open. Second folder Android select, mouse right click, delete. Fourth icon click. Next folder Kotlin tool related folder select, mouse right click, fourth icon delete click. Next folder main.kts compiled catch folder select, mouse right click, delete icon click. Next Google folder select open. First one Google Android Studio folder select, mouse right click, delete icon click. Left side first icon back to local folder icon click. Next username folder PC first folder select. Second folder Gradle select, mouse right click, delete click. Next Android Studio project folder select. Android project saved location folder select, mouse right click, delete. Next folder select Cisco, mouse right click, delete. Left side this PC option select. First one new value C select open. Program files folder open. Third one Android folder select, mouse right click, delete. Close. Desktop file explorer document open. Downloads folder lo Android application related exe set of file select, delete. Recycling bin select, mouse right click, empty recycling bin click. First button yes click. Installation process completed. System restart must.